If you are not familiar, my name is Sam Shefer from Salvona Technologies. We are going to talk about polyphenol, and specifically we are going to talk about procyanidin B2. So what is my expectations from this webinar is that at the end of this webinar, which will take about 45 minutes, you will know how to keep a supple and firm, youthful skin. Not only you, but your customers, your environment, and everybody associated with the business that we are in. So we will inform you about natural polyphenols. Specifically, we'll talk about procyanidin and what is the function to maintain elastic and youthful skin. We will focus on elasticity of the skin. Elasticity is directly related to wrinkles. So this is our focus today. I will start by talking about the causes, why the skin is losing elasticity, and how we develop the wrinkles. Of course, we'll want to talk about how can we solve it, where we can find procyanidin, and how does it work. Once we know all this information, now I will talk about our technology, which is SalSphere Natural Anti-Aging, which will help you formulate product for that purpose. So this is all connected. I always talk about the background. I give a good fundamental, although it seems like superficial for me, but I think it includes the essential points for you to know and communicate about elasticity and skincare.